Looking for a stunning dessert for this Christmas? Allow us to introduce Pomegranate Pavlova, a vibrant, delectable treat that's a breeze to prepare. With egg whites, sugar, juicy pomegranate seeds, and whipped cream, you're in for a delightful surprise. Stay tuned to learn how to make the perfect pomegranate pavlova. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 egg whites, whisked to the point of forming stiff peaks. Alongside this, prepare 1½ cups of castor sugar, a teaspoon of corn flour, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. For the topping, have a generous dollop of whipped cream at the ready, and, of course, the star of the show, the seeds of 2 beautiful pomegranates. Now, on to the initial preparation. Preheat your oven to a moderate 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, go ahead and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the pavlova from sticking and make it easier to transfer once baked. Next, we move on to the egg whites. Beat them until they're nice and frothy, then gradually add the sugar, corn flour, and vinegar, continuing to beat until those peaks hold their shape. With these ingredients ready, we can begin to assemble our pavlova. Now it's time to bring our pavlova to life. Gently fold the sugar, corn flour, and vinegar into the egg whites. The key here is to be patient and delicate. We don't want to lose those precious air bubbles. Now shape the mixture on the baking sheet, creating a well in the center. Bake it low and slow, just until the outside is crisp and the inside remains marshmallow soft. Remember, let the pavlova cool completely in the oven to prevent cracking. Once cooled, your pavlova is ready for the final touches. For a festive finish, decorate with whipped cream and a generous sprinkling of pomegranate seeds. Carefully spread the cream over the pavlova, then sprinkle with seeds. The contrast of white against bright red is truly captivating. And there you have it, a stunning pomegranate pavlova for your Christmas feast. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.